Hello. Uh, Good afternoon to all. Okay, so let me just give you, share to you the learning objectives of our subject, absorption, variable, and throughput costing. Okay. Learning objectives number one. We have to explain the accounting treatment of fixed overhead. Actually, andun ang focus or focal point ng variable and absorption costing and throughput costing. Prepare an income statement, which I'll do it later on. Then absorption and variable. And number four, I will have to answer the net income of the absorption and variable. Five, explain the implication of absorption and variable for CBP analysis later on. During my discussion, I'll share that to you. Then number six, evaluate absorption and variable costing. Then seven, I will explain the rationale behind throughput costing. That will be in the latter part. And prepare an income statement under throughput costing. Okay. And number nine, explain the effect of the volume variance under the absorption variable costing. So yung throughput costing, we have to discuss it with you. Parang wala sa syllabus yata ng board exam yan, no? But still, kasama pa rin sa lecture namin, that will be fine. Okay? Alright. Now, in that case, I will have to discuss to you the theoretical side sometime later on kasi ayaw ko naman muna mag-discuss ng theory without you appreciating what is absorption and variable. Okay? I will have to do that maybe after discussing one problem to you, then I will have to make a distinction after that. Alright? So what I can do right now is simply assist para nasa loob tayo ng klase. Sorry pag gumagalaw ko lang ako dyan ha. Naglagay ko lang parang upuan na dito, table lang. No? Alright, so what will I do right now is this. Let me discuss to you now the distinction between absorption and variable. No? Alright, so ACDC tawag po dyan. Alright, absorption costing here. The direct costing or variable costing tawag dyan. Alright, okay. If you look at your financial accounting or yung mga basic accounting nyo, ito talaga yung ginagamit nila na absorption costing. Ang tawag natin sa income statement doon. Ang variable costing, ginagamit na natin sa MAS yan. Okay? Now, let me give you this distinction now to you. No? Then later I have to give to you the distinction between the two. No? So here, we have DM, DL, overhead. No? Variable and fixed. Then, lagyan ko na nito operating expense, variable and fixed. Alright? Okay. Sa absorption costing, or ang maraming tawag din dito, no? Absorption costing, we can also use the word full costing. Nasa handout nyo, no? Full costing or conventional or traditional. Yan po yung kinatawag na pag conventional, yung usual approach, kaya tiyag na traditional na. Yan yung ginagawa nyo sa, sabi ko kanina, sa mga basic accounting nyo, income statement doon is what you call the traditional. Okay? Or what you call the statement of comprehensive income because of the new IFRS, no? Kaya ginamit yung word na statement of comprehensive income. Pero if I use the term income statement, that's okay, ha? Alright? Ang income statement kasi ang net income lang yan. Pag nag-add ka ng OCI, ang tawag na dyan ay, yan na yung comprehensive income. Okay na? So I hope you understand that, no? Alright, now, another term for that is traditional, conventional, full costing. Alright? Okay, full costing. Full. Alright? Direct costing or variable costing here. Okay, another term for that is what? Direct costing here, or what they call, nasa handout yun, ha? Marginal costing or differential costing. Alright? Okay. So, let me give you now the distinction. Sa absorption costing meron to. Alright? Ito meron yan. Alright, now, ang tawag po dyan ay product cost. Product. Dito sa direct costing, ito yun. Alright, ang tawag dito ay product cost. Product cost is capitalizable. Alright? Now, pagdating dito, hindi. Hindi na sa'yo. So, dyan sila nagkakaiba. Treatment of fixed overhead. Ito naman, of course, wala kang problema dito. No? Ang tawag po dito ay period cost. You know what's period cost, di ba? Period cost is expenses. Normally, that's what the treatment that we are referring to. I think you learned that also in your cost accounting before, di ba? Kung natuto nyo man yung portion na yun. Pagdating dito, ito naman yung talaga yung period cost. Kaya tuloy, ang pagkakaiba ng dalawa is here. Dito po. Treatment of fixed overhead. So under absorption, the fixed overhead is considered to be product. Under direct costing, fixed overhead is considered to be period cost. Okay? Alright. Sige. So, with that item, I need to proceed to the problem first. Para lang makaroon kayo ng guidance then. Alright? Okay. So, let me now proceed to the problem here. Okay na ba tayo? Ayaw ko muna mag-discuss ng theory kasi pag magdadaldal ako ng theory, hindi nyo alam yung problem. Para hindi nyo ma-appreciate. No? Kaya hindi maganda yung theory ka muna, tapos problem solving. Wala, hindi mo ma-appreciate. Okay? Normally problem muna, after that theory at the end. No? Okay? Alright, so I think that's it so far. So can I erase it now? Can I erase it now here? So that I can move on now? Alright. Sige, kasi medyo pagkakapahin ko yung whiteboard. Marami akong gagawin. Okay. Sige, so let me now proceed here with problem number 1. Actually, problem number 1 na yan, isesend ko sa inyo kasi nakalimutan ko isama to sa ano. I send it separately, okay? Alright, so let me go for the number 1. Actually, ang tawag ko dito is overview problem. No? Overview problem. So, binigay ko sa inyo, dito kasama But I will have to send this to you later on. Alright? Alright, so we have the absorption here and variable. So, DM overhead. Variable and fixed. No? Ayan ang constraint natin. Alright, now, let me read. During the past year, the company produced 150,000 units of product and sold. Okay? One item that we have to understand is what? They give us here a problem na purely actual production nakabase. Nakabase lang sa actual production. Mamaya, magbibigay ko ng overview ha. Ito kasi overview about what are the problems that we will have to discuss more. No? Alright, so production of 150,000 here. And sold 120,000 here. Alright, now, the production 150,000 here. Sold is 120. Alright. Now, direct materials 300,000. So here, 300,000 here divided by production. So 150 units produced and 1,000 produced. So 2. Then we have here direct labor 375 divided by 150 again. Alright. That is something like what is this? 2.50 here, 2.50 here. Alright. Variable overhead. We have here 187,000, 100. Okay, 50,000. Sorry. Divided by 150. 1 and 1. Fixed overhead. No? Alright. Normally, ang tawag natin yan, budgeted fixed overhead. Okay. Alright. The budgeted fixed overhead amounted to 187,005 divided by 150. So, lumalabas po dyan ay 1.25. So, yan po yung unit cost ng absorption costing and variable. Okay? Dito for variables, direct costing. May mga book na gumagamit yung term direct costing. Ang tawag naman na dito ay full costing. Or conventional or traditional. Okay? Ito, marginal costing, direct costing, variable costing. Alright, bakit marginal yan? You will learn it later on. Kasi may mga topic tayo later that I will mention about the term contribution margin. Margin, something like that. Alright, sige. So, ang total po niya na 6.75. Alright, kapag kinotal mo naman yan is 5.50 here. Okay? Sige. So, ang tanong ng number 1 is, what is the unit cost under absorption costing? Ito, number 1 na to. 1A. Under direct costing, so 1B. Alright, how much the empty inventory under absorption and variable costing here? So, let's talk about the requirement number 2. Sorry, gamitin ko na yung mga special requirement 2. Alright, anyway, you can take a picture of this one when I'm discussing it with you. But sometime later on, I will have to send to you, alright, the solution of this one in a separate paper. Okay? Pero yung mga succeeding problem na sosolvehin ko later on, ayan na, kailangan nyo na talagang picturein yung whiteboard, ha? Pag puno na, picturein nyo, huwag nyo muna picturein na ganyan, ha? Kasi sayang ang oras natin, eh. So, pag napuno na, doon yung pipicturean na, ha? Okay? Alright. Sige, so, ending inventory tinatanong. Alright, so if we have to look at it now, what do we do here? Okay, let's compute for the ending inventory, huh? Beginning inventory, production, available for sale, less sold, so ending inventory yan. Units to, alright? Na walang binabanggit na beginning yan, 0. Production is silang po yan, 150,000 here. Then available for sale, 150 here. Sold, 120 here. Ending inventory, 30, right? Okay, sige sa absorption and variable costing. 30 times 6.75 for absorption. For absorption, the answer is this. So, magkano po yun? Pag-absorption natin? 202,500. Check nyo lang. So, times naman, 5.50 here. Alright? Under variable costing, the amount for that is 165,000 pesos here. Alright? Okay. Sige, so there it is. Stop ko muna ha, sandali. Then after that, we'll continue.